Lakshman, Sita, in the forest.
So the audiences will be going on a journey set out by the poets who will be talking about placemaking and homemaking and how I guess they navigate the world around them as individuals and as a society. Poetry as a form is very personal, so not only will they be talking about place, they'll be talking about, I guess, how they themselves live in a place.
Where I live now, vines of heavenly white fruit wrap around the fortune teller's heart.
Our walls have bounced their frustrations.
Performing poetry to me is freedom. I like getting up on stage and leaving it all there. It doesn't matter how many times I can rehearse something. Either way, when I get up on stage, it's new. I like that.